Many just don't know how to get started. Nicotine addiction has physical, mental, and social components. And it may take many attempts in order to really quit for good. And I want to make sure this doesn't mean, oh, there's a lack of willpower involved. This is difficult because smokers are fighting an addiction.
What does it show is the best way for a smoker to finally stop?
So, first of all, fess up to your doctor. Your physician may be able to help you put a quit plan together. They can use their expertise and support to find the right path for you. And that may include counseling and medication in combination that would double your chances of quitting. And it's also important to set a quit date, to have a goal that you can then have a plan to work towards the day that you'll be smoke-free. And then to also think about what those smoking triggers.
Fess up. Fess up. Fess up.